Guys, today is February 2, 2024. Today is raining hard. So I decided to eat noodles with bean sprouts or taugi. So kayo na nga to. No need for seasoning because the noodles already have seasoning to it. Shout out to my sister Cindy. Thank you so much for giving me this dried fish or dried galunggong. Dip it. Hello guys, for today's lunch I'm going to eat noodles with bean sprouts. I have rice. I have dried fish, or this dried fish is galunggong, and I have this apple cider vinegar with chili flakes. For my dessert, I have this mango. It's a Thai mango. I forgot what it's called, Cindy. I forgot. Comment down below. Something of Chinook. So I'm not really familiar, but comment down below. I know it's a Thai mango. This one here, so I cut one, and I have cranberry fruit drink. I think I'm going to add this in my water, just a tiny bit. Okay guys, bon appetit for me. Let's eat. I know carbohydrates. Noodles, carbohydrates, and carbohydrates. Rice. I have to wash my hands. I already washed my hands, so I can eat by hand. Lami. Guys, I'm not close to the Asian shop, so I just cook little by little this dried fish. Look at that. I hope my neighbors will not be complaining about the smell. I'm supposed to do halo-halo today, but we will be having family members sleeping over tomorrow, so I'll postpone it till then. Guys, mura akong naas Pinas. Guys, when I'm frying anything, fish or pork, anything, I will always wear my sunglasses to protect my eyes. I can only cook dried fish. Here's our decking area, not inside. My husband doesn't like the smell of dried fish. He said it has an offensive smell. I think I'm gonna have leftovers. That's the thing about eating here outside in the decking area. The flies love the smell of the dried fish. By the way, shout out to my friend Marlene Summer Vlogs. I gave her kamunggay today. She wants to cook mung beans with kamunggay or moringa. I know my greenhouse is already turning into a grassland. I'll wait for the rain to stop before I can pulling out the weeds. I think the weeds are more healthy than the vegetables. At this stage, I could no longer find the vegetables. Guys, take over na ang weeds. Now, let's try the mango. Wow. Lami. My husband's watching YouTube videos now. He usually likes the four-wheel drive shows.
Shout out to Steph Shaz.